So in the 12th problem, he said, Shivam and Sundaram are equal partners who have contributed capitals also equally. They maintained books under single interest system. Their position as on January 1st, 2008 and 31st December 2008 are shown below. He gave sundry debtors, creditors, plant and machinery, unexpired expenses, prepaid expenses, which is asset. Outstanding expenses is a liability. Stock is asset, furniture is asset, cash is asset. Insurance policy premium paid. Here, this one he didn't give us a clearly what it is. Insurance policy paid means can I take it as a liability or shall I take it as a asset? There is no clarity. But when I'm preparing, I'll tell you what I have taken, how I have taken, I'll tell you. Okay. So first, anyhow, he has given two different years and without anything properly he has mentioned. So what I'm going to do is, as usual, we'll go for preparing first profit or sorry statement of affairs for both the years. So here we are going to go for preparing in this manner the statement of affairs. Okay, so we are done. So here we are going to go for this is 12th solution and we call this one as statement of Lokeshwari. Affairs for the year ended. So here we call this one as liabilities assets. This is as on 1st 2008 and this is 31st December 2008. This is assets 1st January 2008, 31st December 2008. Now first he gave with assets, so that's why we'll start with the assets only. Yeah, right, Nana. You'll get 1450. So first I always take with my fixed assets. So here I'm starting with the plant and machinery, which is 8,000, 10,000. Then I'll go with furniture and fittings, which is 3,500 and which is 4,500. So these are my assets are done. Now we'll go with as usual. So first he gave sundry debtors. So sundry debtors he gave how much? One is 6,000, another one is 9,000. Then after sundry debtors, then he gave it unexpired insurance. So I said no, unexpired insurance means it is a asset. It's like a prepaid expenses. So prepaid expenses we are going to have a asset. So 90 here and here it is 150. After unexpired insurance, then we have got stock. Stock is how much? Stock is 5,000 and 7,500. and then cash and a bank. So it is 1,000 and then 2,400. And then one more, just one new item we have got it, that is uh, insurance policy premium paid. So insurance policy premium paid, we don't know what we have to take it actually, because he didn't give us a clarity. But usually we'll go with the other concept, that is whenever insurance is there, I always have told you people one thing: insurance never we will have outstanding. It only is going to have what? Prepaid. Did I say it? I have told you or not in the final accounts? Because insurance company will try to take a before prior, they'll take a good amount, but they will never take a less amount, I said. So only on that concept, I am trying to go for taking insurance policy premium as a prepaid. Insurance paid. So in which year? This is only in the first year. So that's how I am done. Now on the credit side, on the liability side, I'm going to take sundry creditors. Sundry creditors, he gave first one 7,000, second one 6,000. And then he gave outstanding. So outstanding is a liability, we all know it. So outstanding expenses, which is 250, 300. And yeah, that's it, no? That's it. So now please tell me the totals.
24,990.
24,090.
90.
Okay. Second
And
one, Nana?
33,550.
Okay, at like that. 24,090. And here 33,550. So 24,090. हाँ श्राव्य
16,840.
16,840.
Capital 16,840.
Okay, first
Yes,
one
ma'am.
16,840. Fine.
Yes.
So capital which is balance.
16,840, ma'am, first column.
Yeah. 16,
Next, 27,250, ma'am.
27,250. Okay, so we got this one. Now we'll go with the next thing. So what is the next thing we are going to do it? The next one we are going to prepare is statement of profit or a loss. So this is statement
Ma'am?
of
Ma'am, just check the second column total number.
it's correct only. Just now we
Capital should be 26,950.
26,950. 1 second, Ray. No, we got 27,250 only. 1 second. No,
Yes,
correct
ma'am.
only. Correct only. 27,250 only. Particulars, amount. Now first we'll start with what? Closing. So closing, how much we got? I said
27,250.
so. Closing stock and closing capital 27,250. To this one, what we will add?
Additional
Add
capital.
drawings. Did he give here?
Yes, ma'am. 1,000.
Last line. He said 1,000 each, Nana. Just what I'll read it out. He said During the year 2008, partners withdrew from the business at 1,000 each. How many partners are there? Shivam and Sundaram are there. So each means total will be how much?
2000.
2,000. The total after adding a drawings, we got some 29,215.
29,000.
But here, he didn't give us anywhere the additional capital. Ma. So there is no additional capital which is nil at this part. Then I'm going to minus less. When additional is not there, opening capital, I'm going to minus. So opening capital, how much we got in the minus figures? 16,840 I'm going to take. So when I minus, how much is our balance answer I'm getting? 29 minus 250.
12,400. 410, sorry.
So to this one, what we'll do? We'll add incomes. But that fellow did not give us any income. So that's why I'm going to put a nil again here. Then I'll go for minus. So that is less expenses. So in these expenses, I'll read out the adjustments what he gave. He said you are required to ascertain a profit or a loss made by partners during the year 2008. Prepare a detailed statement of affairs as on 31st December after taking into following considerations. The first one, insurance policy matured during the year he gave. Nowhere it is not an income nor expenditure. So I'll just ignore it. Then he gave plant and machinery, furniture and fittings to be depreciated at 10% per annum respectively. And here he said calculate the depreciation on opening balances. He was very clear that on opening balances we have to calculate. Then interest on a capital 5% and provision for doubtful debts 2.5%. So these all things we have to take it. So these many expenses we have. So first we'll start with depreciation. So depreciation on plant and machinery at the rate of 10% on opening balance, he said. So opening balance means 8,000. So which will be 800.
800.
Again, depreciation on furniture at the rate of 6%. He said 6%, not 5%, 6% on 3,500, right? So how much it will be? 3,500?
210.
210.
210, ma'am.
Then this is done. Then he said provision for doubtful debts. So next is provision for doubtful, which is 2.5% at the rate of 2.5% on, always will calculate on a current, no? So 9,000. How much it will be, ma?
150, ma'am.
2.5% on 9,000.
225.
Yes, 225. And the last is interest on a capital. At the rate of 5% on 16. Opening we have to calculate, no?
842, ma'am.
So total will be how much?
Two thousand 77, ma'am.
Yeah, right. So therefore, how much we will get a net profit? Just check.
10,333.
So net profit is equal to 10,333. Okay. So let me draw the lines. Yeah. Now we are going to have one more. I said revise the statement of affairs we have to prepare. I said no. So this is something new you people are learning now. So that is whenever he says, actually he has to say the word revised statement of affairs. So అలా ఇవ్వకుండా ఫస్ట్ ప్రిపేర్ పియానల్ అని చెప్పి మామూలుగా ఇప్పటివరకు ఒకసారి బ్యాక్ సమ్స్ చూసుకుంటే హీ సేస్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ అఫేర్స్ అండ్ దెన్ ప్రిపేర్ ద స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అంటాడు బట్ అలా అనకుండా ప్రిపేర్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాఫిట్ అండ్ లాస్ అండ్ దెన్ హీ సెట్ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఆఫ్ అఫేర్స్ అని అన్నప్పుడు వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు గో ఫర్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ in this manner. So first already we are going to go for preparing the things. Then we are going to go for preparing one more time the closing statement of affairs. So that's why here I'm preparing once again the statement of affairs along with the adjustment. So ఇప్పుడు తీసుకోవాల్సింది along with the adjustment. So statement of affairs as on 31st/12/2008. Liabilities amount, assets amount. So here I'm going to start. Now here we are going to take all with adjustments. So plant and machinery. Plant and machinery, how much is the current value? 10,000 kadama. So from this we'll
Yes.
minus depreciation. I said with along with the adjustments, no, 800 I'll minus. So it will be how much? 9,200. Then furniture. How much was the furniture? 4,500. From this we minus depreciation. So how much is the depreciation we got from the furniture? 210. So when you minus, it will be 4,000.
4,000.
Then what we have written, same paina ఏమైతే రాసామో అదే చెప్పు.
Sundry debtors. $225.
So debtors, how much is the current value? It's
9,000.
so how much we got a provision, ma?
225.
Reserve for bad debt, which is 225. So minus just say it will be, I think,
8,775.
yeah, right.
8,775.
Yeah. And sorry, 775 kada. Next, after debtors, we have written unexpired, no? So unexpired expenses. So current year, అన్ని current year రాస్తున్నాం మనం చూసుకోండి 150.
50.
Then stock.
Stock.
We didn't have any adjustments, so
7,500.
direct as it is we are writing. Then cash
Cash in bank.
2,400. Then
2,400.
sorry, prepaid it is of that one, no? Leave it. That's it. Then we'll go for this side. Inkem leave kada adjustments. So here I'm going to take
Capital.
capital మనం adjustments తో సహా చేయాలి కదా, అందుకే
Capital.
we'll take opening ma. Then I'm going to add profit. How much we got?
Drawings.
Profit we got 10,000 triple.
10,000.
Then minus
3,000.
drawings. మరి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కూడా యాడ్ చేసేద్దాం ఫస్ట్. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ కూడా ఉంది కదా ఇందులో. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఆన్ క్యాపిటల్. How much? Something we got 842. And then last drawings. Which is minus 2,000. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి నాన్న మొత్తం ఎంత?
25,015.
25,000.
20.
15, ma'am.
26.
26, ma'am.
26,015, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Then what we have in the previous same అదే తీసుకుంటాం. So creditors which is 6,000 and then outstanding
Standing expenses
Expense.
300.
300. So count చేసి చూడండి అన్న.
32,315, ma'am.
Both the sides, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So ఇది అన్నమాట రివైజ్డ్ అని అన్నప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ మనం to find out a capital we'll prepare default without any adjustments. Then when he says a revised, we'll go for compulsory showing the balance sheet again with a revised format. So that is the meaning of after statement of affairs profit and after the statement of profit or a loss, again that fellow is asking prepare the statement of affairs ani annappudu indirectly he is asking us to go for preparing once again along with the adjustments ani ardham. Ravya, take the attendance, today's attendance.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is 32,315. Here also it is 32,315. Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm.